Dance party? Whoa. Whoa. Beep Bo Boogie. Gee whiz. Clap, clap.
Daddy, roller dance.
Who's this? Beep Bo Boogie. Do the Beep Bo Boogie. Clap, clap.
Dodo, dodo.
Clear it. Hit it again.
Wow, look at her go. You're a good dancer, you know that? Isn't she good? Whoa, that's a good move. Shake your butt. Woo!
This is the same one.
Don't you like that one?
That's...
Dance party, dance party. Oh, go.
I need that light on, and then I will turn the light on. I'm ready.
Go ahead. Whoa, there we go. Now it's the dance party. Wow, look at her go.
Oh, yeah.
Look at her go. Where'd you learn how to dance, Bridget?
And gymnastics. Another one. Here.
What?
This one.
What we gotta do? Roll it up?
Yeah.
I gotta roll it up?
No, we have to pull it up.
Oh, pull it all the way up? There you go. Okay, looks good. Go ahead. I think
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice. That is a look there. Woohoo! Look at Good job. Take a bow.
I need shorter pants.
Shorter pants. Okay, folks. We're going to stop filming for now. We'll get Bridgie in some shorter pants, okay? Bye-bye.
Then we can start all over again.
Of course. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Oh, you kissed the camera. You're the loveliest of the lovely. Oh, and a hug, too. Gee whiz. That's enough. Holy cow.